Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble the Bell robot. So first of all, before we proceed, we would like to give you a quick idea about each of the parts. So this is the USB cable with which the Bell robot would be connected to a laptop so that you can upload a program. And we have the IR remote control infrared, and we have the ultrasonic sensor that's going to act as the eye of the robot. And here we have the lower mount of the robot where you have to put a lithium ion battery here, and this is the Bluetooth bit, and this is a connection of this lower mount with the upper mount of the robot. And you can understand the front part through this caster wheel. Okay, this is going to be at the front because it has to balance the robot, and the LED lights are going to be in the towards the front as well. So this is how you're going to connect it. Okay, now to connect them you have to use these copper pillars, and to connect each of the boards you have these flat cable, and to power it up you have the lithium ion battery. And the most amazing thing is the screwdriver. I love the screwdriver. Okay, so it helps me unscrew a lot of objects. So if you're going to be an engineer or a scientist, you need to learn to use these tools. Okay, that's why we have given you these components. Okay, so first of all, step one is to power it up. Okay, so let's add the battery over here and just push it. Okay, and you can test it through this switch if it's turned on or not. Yes, it's turned on. Nice, amazing. We're already making progress. Now the next thing is we need to add the screw mounts here. So you can see there are two holes and one hole over here, so three holes in together. So they're going to be connected with the copper pillars over here in this bag, and then we're going to add the flat cable. So let's start without any further ado. And make sure to be a little careful while using these screws, not to do it in front of little kids, okay, or you might lose some as well. So keep it in a protected place. So first of all, what we do is we will take the screwdriver and we will take a screw and we will add it in such a way that it's straight, not any bend angle or anything. Okay, so then you put it in these hole over here. Okay, and then you hold it and you take a copper mount. Okay, so once you take the copper mount, you just add it, and by keeping your finger on top of the screw and just keep pressing it. Okay, and just don't move it, and then just rotate the copper mount. Okay, we will do the same with the other mount. Okay, other mounts. So this is the second mount over here. Just give me a few minutes and it shall all be done in no time. Okay, keep your finger on top of the screw so that the screw doesn't rotate. Okay, so only the copper pillar should rotate. Okay, and then the third copper pillar should go here. So let's get the third pillar out as well, and we will get another 3 screws for the bottom bit. Okay, so first you need to take the screw and put the screw on top of this part, and keep your finger and take the copper pillar and just rotate it. So slowly it's going to go in, and you will have a mount ready. Okay, now the next part is we have to add in this flat cable. So whenever you add the flat cable, just keep an eye on these marks here. Okay, so they should go inside this way, don't put it in the other way. Okay, so a little care would keep the equipment for a long time. So yeah, it's fit. Now we have to connect it to the other side. So just take the cable, flat cable, and put it in. Alright, now just bend it a little bit on the other side so that it's placed properly. And now what you have to do is you have to place the board in such a way that they don't move. Okay, just do it this way, and take in a screw and plug it in one of these holes. Okay, you can do it with the help of the screwdriver. It's it's little. It's a little, that's why sometimes it's a bit difficult. So make sure to plug it in first and then you place. Okay, so I've placed it and now I'm plugging it in. Just give me a second. Yes, it's done. So you just keep on rotating it. Okay, and then oops, it's displaced. So this is going to happen, don't worry about it. Just place it and then just rotate the screw. I mean, the thing is, I can show you this thing, but you have to do it by yourself to actually learn the skill set. Okay, and then we have to do the same for the front 2 mounts, the 2 mounts in the front. So place it in straight and make sure the copper pillars are aligned properly, and then just screw in. Okay, so it should go in easily, pretty easily. It's not that difficult. I mean, if you can handle it, you can handle any of the electronics. So the reason for us to give you an open robot is to understand what exactly are inside a robot. Okay, a robot is not like a human being. Like, I mean, it is kind of like a human being, but we have to use some kind of electronics for its powering or controlling. Okay, so for this one we have the power source as the battery, we have the flat cables for the signaling, we have the switch to turn it on, we have the microprocessors, we have the dot matrix, the LEDs. Okay, now if you turn this on, so the assembly is almost done. We just need to connect these ultrasonic sensors. So how can you connect it? You see there are 4 pins, right? So the 4 pins here should go to either of them. Okay, it doesn't matter, either of the lines. So just I'll take the first line and put it in, and now our robot is ready, and let's test it out by turning it on switch. And you see, yes, it's saying hello, I am Bell. Nice. Amazing, right guys? This is the Bell robot. This is how you can assemble it. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.